Hey everyone, we all have heard about MCQs as they have become very important part of every student's life. And I'm sure you know its full form. Well, for some students they are most confusing question, but in reality they are the marks collecting question. So let's see how these MCQs can turn from most confusing question to marks collecting question in today's discussion of tips for preparation and solving of MCQ based exams. Welcome to Practically, and today we are going to discuss every letter of MCQs and let's see what can we learn from it. Mark, check and quantify. Now for some students they have fear for MCQs as they are very doubtful about their answers. On another hand, some students are too overconfident and they just keep having random guesses. But both the approaches are incorrect. We need to have a proper balance between the two in order to score good marks easily in MCQ exams. Let's begin with the first letter, M for mark. During preparation, please solve maximum number of questions through sample papers, practice sessions, as practice may not make a man perfect, but it can surely take all of us close to perfection. Make sure that you note down some important questions which are solved in a different way, as it is important to revisit those peculiar questions along with revision of concepts. And whenever you sit for solving during preparation, make sure you solve the papers in the pattern of exam. For example, if your exam is OMR sheet based, actually take a printout of OMR sheet and darken the circles, as it can help you to avoid the mistakes during the exam. If your exam is online based, then try to solve maximum online quizzes. During the exam, you can try to collect clues from some questions, like for example the physical units might match, or there is elimination method and various tricks to derive to the correct answer. And make sure that you note the questions which you find doubtful or which you are not able to attempt, because just circling or marking star on the question paper might lead to missing out some questions at the end when you have less time. So if you note down the question number in some corner, you can directly revisit that question at the end. And make sure that you solve or mark the OMR sheet correctly, as many of the students, even if they come to the correct answer, they make a mistake of marking the wrong option on the OMR sheet. We have a special video dedicated to it about demystifying OMR sheet by my friend. The link is given in the description. Do check it out. C for check. Do check out the previous year papers and note down the questions which are important and repeatedly asked. Try to practice them more. And try to follow this cycle of analyzing your mistakes while you are solving the MCQs, and also applying those tips and tricks to overcome those mistakes or some new methods which you have learned. Do practice this and repeat this cycle, and if you practice this cycle, it will take you speedily towards your goal. During the exam, rough work or rough sheet is actually the most ignored part, but that is the reason for leading to various mistakes by students. So while solving questions on the rough sheet, make sure you don't scribble or just fumble the questions here and there. Try to maintain a proper sequence and even do the rough work neatly, because while copying the answer from rough work to the options, there is a chance of missing out something. So please do take care of it. And do check the various questions you have attempted. The questions which are doubtful and unattempted, do check them out and revisit them at the end. Q for quantify. Try to solve daily some questions at least, because daily practice is very important, especially on the concept which you have studied that day. At least solve some questions on it. And try to maintain and log or account of the number of questions solved and the amount of time used for it. This can help you to track your speed and apply that your proper technique during the exam as well. During the exam, effective time management plays a very important role, and especially in MCQ based exam, time is a very important factor which can give you an edge above others. And for this, try to divide the paper into 3 parts. There will be some questions which are very simple. While going through the paper itself, you'll get the answer. So mark it immediately, darken the circle on your OMR sheet for them. Then there will be some questions which you will be little doubtful about. Do solve them and note down the answer. Note down that answer somewhere. And then there will be some questions which you are not clear about. So you can attempt that towards the end. Don't waste your time in just trying to attempt the question which you're not sure about. And in this way, if you effectively manage your time, you will be able to attempt maximum questions. So this was the summary of what we discussed today. Mark selectively, check vigilantly, and quantify effectively. Trust me, I have used these techniques during my preparation for IIT JAM and GATE, and because of applying these things, I was able to get a seat in IIT. So this is my personal advice to all of you. Try your best to apply these simple tips and you might discover more insights about it. On this note, we wish you all the best for your upcoming exams, and we at Practically are there to help you out for your queries. So for more such amazing content, download the Practically app and register to start your free trial. Thank you.